Walk Pro Throw with Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. Wanted to show y'all today the new RT188P, which is Ranger's new aluminum boat. Some special features. They've added a fiberglass front console up here, which will accommodate up to a 9-inch depth finder. On the 188P also, 2 rod boxes, 8.5 foot in the center, 7 foot on the port side. Another nice feature, insulated ice chest that they've incorporated to their boat. By the way, the 188P stands for pad hull, which is going to give you better performance and better handling of the ride of the boat. Also with the P series, you pick up trailer brakes on this particular trailer. Here in the center, we've got the coin box like you see on the fiberglass boats that they've added, and a center step with storage up into the front of the boat. Bigger storage boxes in the back, 24-gallon gas tank instead of a 21. And if it has the Mercury motor, you're also getting hydraulic steering on the boat. This is an unbelievable buy on the boat. Guys, you need to come by Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. We are located at 4306 East Texas Street. Our phone number is 318-213-2628. And you can also visit our website at www.bayououtdoor.com.